So the coronavirus is here and the apocalypse is coming. What you gonna need to defend yourself? That's right, a flamethrower. Let's start building it. This flamethrower is gonna based on Axe deodorant. You can build it to any size you need. These wood parts came from a pallet I found on the street. So I cut it to the measures. Not too complicated, no measuring and stuff, just saw the size of the deodorant and get like a box around him. So the blue sponge meant to hold the deodorant in place so it won't move. As you can see, the deodorant is fit in snugly and tight. It won't move anywhere. These two metal parts are for locking the deodorant inside its cabin. This is the mechanism that makes the whole flamethrower work. It's a simple wheel from cabin or something, close it. I cut a quarter of the wheel off, and so this is the final shape of it. Then I melted in a chain, and to the other side of the chain I glued a ring. Now, the mechanism of the lighter is very simple. It's made out of a metal plate. It's just a turbo lighter, a rubber band, and this metal plate I bend to the shape. So when I push the lighter, the metal plate is there to hold it still and hold it ignites. But the lighter is attached to the piece of wood using hot glue gun. Now for the next part, I'm gonna need